Compact killer alert. This toaster's tiny frame hides savage power, crushes crumbs with flawless even toasting, slays cluttered counters with sleek style, and obliterates your budget. First up, the Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster. This one's all about sleek, no-fuss vibes. It's super slim, barely over 3 inches thick, so it's perfect for tiny kitchens or cluttered countertops. 6 shade settings? Yep. From lightly golden to, I like my toast like my humor, dark and crispy. Plus, it's got a 10-inch slot for thick breads like Texas toast or baguettes. No cutting, no squishing. And the price? Super reasonable. If you want something simple, practical, and easy to clean with that removable crumb tray, this is your go-to. Great for small spaces, great for your wallet. Next, the WHALL touchscreen toaster. This one's for the tech lovers. Touchscreen controls, digital timer, fancy. You can pick from 6 bread types, like bagels, waffles, muffins, and 6 shade levels. Oh, and it beeps when it's done. Want silence? Just mute it. Defrost frozen bread in 30 seconds. Yep, bagel mode toasts one side while warming the other. Genius. The slots are extra wide, so even weirdly shaped breads fit. It's like the smartphone of toasters. Flashy, modern, and packed with features. Finally, the SMEG 2-Slice Toaster. This is the Instagram star of toasters. Retro design, creamy color, chrome knobs. It's basically a kitchen accessory. Sure, it's got 6 browning levels, defrost, reheat, and bagel modes. But let's be real, you're buying it for the aesthetic. It's pricey. But if you want your countertop to scream, I have taste, this is it. Also, the crumb tray's removable, so cleanup's easy. Which design will you be choosing for your home? Don't want to waste hours hunting for the best finds? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.